Children, this is a term 1 portion, the sea turtle. This is our lesson 1, sea turtles. Okay. So what is a sea turtle? It is a kind of an sea animal. You can see here, right? In a tortoise actually, but the tortoise, the one which lives, tortoise will be a little smaller compared to a turtle. Turtle will be a little bigger. Okay. So listen to the teachers reading this section. Most of us have seen a tortoise in a zoo or a reptile park. So we people might have seen the tortoises, yes, in the zoo, right, in a reptile park, as I said. You may have seen a big shell at the back of a tortoise. Usually in smaller classes you might have learned like a rabbit and a snare and a tortoise, like a race between the snare and the tortoise. So it will have some kind of partitions like a green color or yellow color like thing which will have a shell, and when you touch it, automatically the head and the wings, everything, it will move inside into the shell and it will try to protect, right? So that is your tortoise. However, not many would have seen the marine, seen its marine relatives. Marine is nothing but a big ocean. So you people may not have seen that one, and the relation, there is some relation between the tortoise and the turtle. Okay. So we may have seen tortoise but may not have seen the turtle. This is not surprising since these reptiles spend almost their entire life in the sea, because we will not be able to see the tortoise much because it almost lives only in the sea. There are 7 species of marine or sea turtles in the world. There are, out of how many species are there means 7 species of 7 varieties of turtles we have. Of them, 5 are around found in Indian coastal waters. So out of 7, 5 were found in the Indian coastal only. So what are they? Olive ridley, hawksbill, the green sea turtle, the loggerhead and leatherback. Please note down what are they. Like we have here, what? Olive ridley, hawksbill, green sea. 1 minute. Olive ridley. 1 minute, ma. We have olive ridley, the hawksbill, the green sea, the loggerhead, leatherback. So these are the 5 turtles we have, like in the Indian Ocean. Okay. So what are they? Olive ridley, hawksbill, green sea, loggerhead and leatherback. Okay, these are the things we are having. Compared to most of the tortoise, the sea turtle are huge. As I said, compared to the other tortoise, the sea turtle will always be heavy, great in size. Okay. The next one, even the smallest species, the olive ridley. So olive ridley is the small species of turtle. So even that will weigh about how much kg? 35 kg. Even that will weigh about 35 kg when fully grown. Okay. The largest of them all the leatherback. So we should know what are the kinds first of all. The kinds which we have here is olive ridley, hawksbill, green sea, loggerhead, leatherback. In this, olive ridley is very small one and it will weigh above only 35 even though it is a fully grown. And also, which one is the heaviest one is a leatherback. Leatherback is the heaviest one and it grows for the length of 2.2 meter and also weighs about 700 kg. The smallest one weighs about 35 and the largest one weighs about 700 kg. The smallest one, olive ridley, the largest one, leatherback. Okay. Sea turtle lives their life entirely in the ocean. They live mostly only in the ocean area. But they still have a connection with land. But however, they also will come to the land. For what purpose? They come ashore to lay eggs. So they come to the shore to what? To lay their eggs. Today, 4 of the sea turtle species mentioned above have become extremely rare in India. But nowadays what happened? We said no, all these have become very, very rare in India. The olive ridley, however, are still commonly seen nesting on the sandy beaches along our coast. So the other thing, the smallest species olive ridley alone we could see nowadays, but the other four, hawkbill, green sea, loggerhead and leatherback, have become very very rare species. Rare means we were not able to see often, adikadi paaka mudiyala. So that things have started extinct na aliya arambichiduchu. But olive ridley we could see now and then in our sea coastal area, in our coastal beach areas. Okay, so mark the answer. Turtles are different from tortoise. Say yes or no. Turtles are different from tortoise? No. Turtles are sea animals? Yes. There are 7 kinds of sea turtles in the world? Yes. Sea turtles are very small? No. Turtles come ashore to lay eggs? Yes. Sea turtle come to rest on land? Yes. No. Olive ridley are the only sea turtle seen on the Indian shore? Yes. I'll repeat the answer. Turtles are found on the tortoise. See, we will mark here. We will mark now. Turtles are different from tortoise. Okay, turtles are different from tortoise. No, right? Similar only. Turtles are sea animals? Yes. There are 7 kinds of, yes. Sea turtle are very small? No. Turtles, 1 minute. The next one, turtles come ashore to lay eggs. Yes. Sea turtle come to rest on land. No. Olive ridley are the only sea turtle seen on the Indian shore. Yes. Okay. What is the meaning? Marine, found in sea, species, a group of animal with common features. Coastal, land by the edge of the sea. Land by edge of the sea. Okay. Okay, now do you know? Okay, Aribada, in most of the parts of the world, olive ridley. In most parts of the world, the olive ridleys come ashore alone to lay their eggs. However, Odisha is only 3 places in the world where a phenomenon known as mass nesting. Okay, mass nesting na many olive ridley will come out and will lay their eggs, or Aribada takes place. So Aribada is nothing but mass nesting. On certain nights during the nesting season, thousands of female turtles come ashore simultaneously to lay their eggs on the particular beaches. So many places it is doing, but in India the very predominant place is Odisha. In Odisha, this mass nesting, the mass nesting is also called as what? Aribada. So there many female turtle will come out during the night time to lay their eggs in the beaches. So I repeat, Aribada is nothing but mass nesting. Okay. Now, between the months of January and March, female olive ridley come ashore at night to lay their eggs. So we have already seen that olive ridley is the smallest turtle living in our nation, living in our universe. Okay, so usually already we told that predominantly area where we can see in India is Odisha. this olive used to come there and it used to lay their eggs. That process is also called as aribada or mass nesting, right? So which month it takes place is between the month of January and March. This is quite a problem for them, as the turtles front flippers enable it to swim gracefully and effortlessly, but are not very useful for moving on the land. So this turtle is having a big flipper. Flipper is nothing but, you can see the arms of the turtle, right? That is a flipper. It will enable to swim easily and effortlessly without doing heavy work hardly. It can easily swim in the sea, but it is not very useful in the land. In the sand it cannot move easily. The turtle has to haul itself laboriously onto the beach. So it has to push itself very heavily, laboriously, work hard. It has to work hard to travel onto the sands of the beach. Then it chooses a spot well away from the high tide line. So it will choose a place where the tide is nothing but the wave of the beach should not reach the place. It will use to select that place. Here it scoops out a nest cavity. Here it scoops out. Now it makes a scooping. Ice cream scooping means what? You are making a little hole in it. So it will scoop a little hole in the beach sand like a nest cavity, making a hole like 45 centimeter deep. It will have a depth of what, ma'am? 45 centimeter, into which it lays an eggs. About how many eggs? 100 eggs. Each egg is in the shape and size of the table tennis ball. So the shape and the size of the turtle egg is like a table tennis. We will repeat again. Olive Ridley used to come in the month of March and January. January, between the month of January and March, it used to come to the beaches and it used to lay the eggs. It will have a large flipper which is useful for them to swim in the sea, but whereas it finds very difficult to walk into the sand of the sea. However, it walks towards and it will cross the line where the tide cannot reach. Okay, so it moves to that place. It will select such a place and it will put a hole. It will scoop a hole with a cavity of how many depth, ma? What? 45 centimeter of depth, and it will lay there 100 eggs. Each egg will be in the shape of like a tennis ball. Once all the eggs are laid, the turtle fills this cavity then into camouflage the nest by tossing sand on it using its flipper. So what it will do, it will close the hole. It will close the cavity, and it will camouflage is nothing but hide. It will hide all the nest and then tossing the sand on it. How it will hide the nest is by putting the sand over it, and it will sand on it using its flipper. Then how it will put the sand is by using the flipper. Like how we used to cover the area when we go to the beach, how we will used to play with our hands, right? When we create a big we used to create a mountain like things, right? Chinna madu madi create pannuvom using our hands. Like that, the turtle also will uses its flippers to cover the hole with the flipper. That done, it returns to the sea. Then after finishing all these things, it will return to the sea. The eggs are left to incubate under the warmth of the sun. Now the egg will hatch, leaving to the warmth of the sun. In many places around the world, local people follow the tracks of the turtle to its nest. In many places, what people are doing is they used to follow the track of the turtle. Turtle walks, no flippers. It will make like a pathway, right? Even when we walk, our footpath will be there. Like that, the turtle's path they will follow and they will reach the nest. They collect the eggs for eating. So people very cunningly what they do, they will dig hole of that cavity and they used to take the eggs and they used to eat the food, eat the eggs. Then what not only the humans, see here, jackals. Domestic jackal is a kind of a wolf. Okay, jackal. Domestic dogs and pigs too dig up and eat the eggs by following the scent left by the turtle. There will be a smell which is being left by the turtle. So these animals will smell the scent of the turtle and it will go there to the nest and it will take all the eggs. Those eggs that escape such people and predators is not the one who attacks. Okay. So the eggs which escapes from all these things will hatch within how many days? 40 to 45 to 60 days. The hatchling is the small turtles. Okay, the hatchlings slash open the leathery egg shell with the help of a tiny egg tooth. So it will have a small tooth. With that the turtle will break open the egg and it will come out. This is like a razor blade at the top of the hatchling's snout. So it will have a snout is nothing but the nose. On that it will have a small blade like thing. With that what it will do now, it will put a crack on the egg and it will come out of it. When most of the eggs have hatched, the hatchlings push themselves upward through the sand and emerge on the surface of the beach. So you know that this has been covered by the sand, no? So with the nose itself it will move the sand and it will come out of the sand. From here they make a hurried dash to the sea. So what they will do, from as it comes out of the sand, from there it will immediately rush, seeing the sea water, immediately it will rush towards the sea. Okay, so here is the meaning. Flappers, broad flat limbs used for swimming. Predators, animals that kill other animals for food. Howl, pull with force. Slash, cut laboriously with great effort. Snout, pointed nose of an animal. Cavity, a hollow space. Emerge, come out. Camouflage, hide or disguise something. Incubate, hatch egg using warmth. Now say the correct answer. Female olive ridley come ashore at night to lay eggs. Yes, right? True. The eggs of an olive ridley are in the shape of a size of a cricket ball? No, it is in the shape of a tennis ball. Ridley come to lay their eggs in the month of January. Yes, in the month of January to March, right? The turtle use their flippers and make a hollow for their nest. Yes, with the flippers only it will make a hole, right? The hatchling use a tiny egg tooth to come out of the eggs. Yes, it will use a tiny tooth only, right? Okay. Then, do you know there is an interesting aspect of a sea turtle biology? Now we are going to study about the feature of a olive ridley. The temperature inside the egg determines the sex of the embryo while it is growing. So the temperature, how much warmth is there inside the egg only will determine whether it is a female turtle or a male turtle. Okay. When the eggs develop at 27 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. When the temperature is between 27 to 28, then there will be a male hatchling or produced. But when it goes to 30 degree, only female hatchlings are produced. Okay. So depending upon the temperature only, we can determine whether it is going to be a male turtle or a female turtle. If it is between 27 to 28, it will be a male. If it is going to be a 30, it will become a female. An equal mix of male and female hatchling is produced only when the eggs incubate at precisely 29 to 30 degrees. So, okay, when the temperature is going to be 29 to 30, then we will have a mix of female as well as male. So, if the temperature is going to be like 27, 28 only, we will get only male. If the temperature is 30, we will get a female. But when it is going to be between 29 and 30, we will get both the mix. Both the mix are both male and female. Next one. Many of these tiny hatchlings which weighs less than 20 gram. It weighs how many gram? 20 gram only. Will not even reach the sea. Because it will not even reach the sea. It will not be able to even reach the sea. But however, it will try to run fast into the sea. I already told you that the turtle flippers will not help them to walk fast to the sea. But whereas it will help them to swim easily in the sea. Right? They will fall prey to crab or birds even before they reach the water. So the birds, those who are flying, when seeing the turtle, small turtles moving towards the sea, it will fetch it and it will run away. Like even the crabs also will eat the baby turtle hatchlings. Okay. Most of those that do not make it to the water will also be eaten by many predators in the sea within the first few days of their lives. So mostly the turtles hatchlings will be eaten or it will not survive within the days of their within the days as they reach into the sea. Within a few days from their birth, they will not be able to survive. In fact, scientists estimate that only 1 in every 1,000 hatchling becomes an adult. So only 1 out of 1,000, only 1 will grow into an adult turtle. It is perhaps to ensure that enough hatchlings survive to keep the species going that sea turtle lays so many eggs. They are telling it is enough to see. That is the reason why the turtles are laying many eggs. At least one may survive. After many years of swimming in the open ocean, the female hatchling that have become adult return to the same beach where they were born. So, after many years of swimming only in the sea, this small young ones which went into the sea it will become a big one, and it will return back to the sea, and there where they were born they will return back, and again they will lay their eggs and they will reproduce there. Okay, they come there to lay their own eggs. How they manage to find the place after so many years in the sea is one of the many mysteries of these fascinating reptiles. So many people are wondering how this one, which is born in the same beach, is coming back after many years to the same beach to lay their eggs. Wondering, fascinating, interesting thing, and it is also a mystery. One we are not able to find the answer for it. Okay. Sea turtles are among the many wonderful creatures we share this planet with. So it is the most beautiful animal we are sharing our planet with. They have survived natural dangers for millions of years, but sadly, human activities during the last few decades have put them in the grave danger. So actually these turtles have gone through million of years, but natural haven't destroyed these turtles. However, very sadly we have to agree that after the human human only has started destroying these turtles in the last few decades, last 100 years, we are the people who are putting these turtles in a grave danger, great danger. There are many factors that threaten their survival. So there are many things which is creating a frightening things for these people to survive, to live. Which people? The turtle. Okay, people hunt them for their meat or collect their eggs. So people are so cunning that they are hunting these turtle for their meat, flesh and their eggs. Sometimes they are accidentally trapped in the nest of the motorboat. So sometimes when they throw when they throw the nest for the fishes, accidentally these turtles also get caught and it has been eaten. Problems like pollution, dumping of plastic into the ocean, and construction activities on the nesting beaches also hurt these survival. So not only that, the pollution, we people are pouring water, mixing the drainage water into the sea, or throwing away the plastics into the sea, or throwing the oils into the sea, throwing that factory waste into the sea. Everything is polluting the sea, so that what happened, the ocean becomes polluted and the sea turtle is finding very hard to survive. Okay, not only that, people have started even encroaching the beaches, the corner of the sea. So people started living towards there, and they occupy their places. So it is the turtle finds very hard to survive. Only by symmetrically tracking these problems, only by systematically tackling these problems and removing these threats can we ensure the sea turtles will continue to exist in the years to come. So only if we solve all these issues, only we can have the turtles in the future. Otherwise, we cannot have these turtles. So this is written by Shekhar Dattatri, writes a popular articles on wildlife conservation and filmmaking. He has been interested in the nature from childhood. He is an award-winning wildlife and conservation filmmaker. Okay, so this is written by Shekhar Dattatri. So he was a wildlife conservation and filmmaker. Okay. So what is the meaning here? You can see survive, continue to live, mysteries, facts that are difficult to understand, fascinating, attracting greatly, decade a period of 10 years. So what do you have to do? You have to read this, and the question answers in your books were given. Choose the correct answer we have already seen. Okay. That you have to read it and you have to send me a photocopy of all these things. You have to write two times all the true or false and write. Not only true or false, now I am going to show you the choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Okay, that also you have to write two times and send me a photocopy through WhatsApp. Okay. Okay, now here is your choose the correct answer. The dash is a biological relative of tortoise. Which one, A or B or C? Sea turtle. A. The Indian coastal where waters, in Indian coastal waters we can see a species of dash. Which is species? Tortoise, a sea turtle or dolphin? Sea turtles. Exactly. Okay. Sea turtles come to the shore to dash. Visit their birthplace, lay eggs, go back to sea. Which one? To lay their eggs. In which month? Yes, January and March. Between January and March. It is a problem for sea turtle to come to ashore because why there is a difficulty for the sea turtle to come to ashore? They find it difficult to walk on sand. They don't know their way to shore, or animals and people hunt them. What is the reason? They find it difficult to walk on the sand. Yes. The turtle flippers help it to. Flippers will help only for what? Easily for swimming. Yes, swimming, dig a nest and climb. The sea turtle camouflage its nest by tossing sand on it. Dash. Hide its egg from predator. Incubate egg in the warmth of the sun. Keep the hatchlings safe. So why it is doing? It is trying to incubate the eggs in the warmth of the sun or hide its eggs from the predator. Why did it is doing that one? Camouflage. Because it is trying to hide its egg from the predators. Next one, fill in the blanks. The hatchling, tiny hatchling fall dash to many predators. This is a homophone. Okay, same sound, different meaning. Homophones are nothing but same sound, different meaning. You can see here, pray. P-R-A-Y, pray. P-R-E-Y, pray. Pray, praying to God, giving our request to God or telling our thanks to God. That is prayer. Now pray, P-R-E-Y, pray. Falling to somebody. Falling, pray means like we say, no, for a lizard, butterfly may be a prey. Okay, so that is a prey. Food. Okay, food. So here what is the meaning? Tiny hatchling fall dash to the many predators. What is the answer? Praying to God or falling as a food? Yes, falling as a food. P-R-E-Y. First one answer P-R-E-Y. Sea turtles live their way dash life in the whole sea. Sorry, life in the sea. Whole. H-O-L-E, whole. Whole is nothing but what? Otai. W-H-O-L-E, whole. Full. So what is the answer? Sea turtle live their whole life, full life. W-H-O-L-E, full life. The turtle come ashore, laying ashore only during the dash. Night, night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Day, evening, night. That one night, N-I-G-H-T, night. K-N-I-G-H-T, night is a soldier. So which one they have? At what time the sea turtle will come to shore? Night. N-I-G-H-T, night. The predators follow the dash of the turtle to eat their eggs. Scent. S-E-N-T, scent. S-C-E-N-T, scent. S-E-N-T, scent is the beautiful smell. Scent. S-E-N-T, scent is nothing but a dollar or a coin. Okay, so that is your scent, or we can say scent, send, scent. Have sent means what? Kudtachu, anipiyachu, that one. Okay. So the two. So which one will come here? The predator will follow which one? Scent, the smell. S-E-N-T, scent, smell. The female turtle lay eggs and go back to the dash. The female turtle will lay eggs and go back to which place? Sea. S-E-E-C. Sea means what? Look. S-E-A-C means what? Water area, water body. Which one will come here? Female turtle will lay its eggs and it will go back to the water body. S-E-A-C. Okay. So you have to write all the true or false 2 times. Choose the correct answer 2 times and homophone. Fill in the blanks 2 times and send me through WhatsApp today. Okay children. Thank you.